everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a huge spring haul. I've got a ton of clothes to share with you guys, lots of shoes that you cannot see down below. Trust me, you're gonna wanna see these. And then I've also got a surprise handbag reveal at the end of this video, so make sure to stay tuned for that. But I am so excited about the upcoming spring and summer season. I've already shared a few spring and summer pieces that I'm loving, like this dress. I actually talked about this in a recent video. Loved all the pieces in that video, so make sure to check it out. I'll link it up above for you guys. But you guys know my favorite season is typically fall, but this season I feel like everything is amazing. You're gonna wanna see all the shoes, all the clothes. I do want to say thank you to Express for partnering up with me for today's video. Several of the pieces that you're going to see are from Express, not everything, so make sure to check out the links down below. And thanks again to Express for sponsoring today's video. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so first up is this high-low maxi dress. So does it look a little familiar, you guys? Because it should. It's the exact same silhouette of this blue dress that I'm wearing. I just fell in love with this silhouette, the style, the fit, the overall vibe of this dress. And when I saw it in this print, I knew I had to have it. So this is perfection for your upcoming vacations, if you're going to the beach, if you're trying to do like family photos on the beach. This is just so beautiful. The colors are amazing. Even if you're not going on a vacation, but you want to feel like you are, this print just does something to you. It's super flattering, super flattering. I just love the overall feel and vibe of this. The high-low is so dramatic, but still wearable. So I just love this. The colors are beautiful and it does fit true to size. I am wearing a small. Next up is another dress that you guys have seen in a different color, but again, I fell in love with this shape and silhouette, so I had to snag it in this beautiful baby pink color. Perfect for spring. It's just such a beautiful dress. You could totally wear this on Easter Sunday. You could wear this to church any other Sunday, but it's just such a beautiful, very flattering. Runs true to size. I did grab a size small. Love this. I shared it with y'all in navy. Definitely a little bit dressier because of the navy, whereas the pink is softer and perfect for the upcoming season. Now, I love a good romper for the spring and summer, and when I saw this like satiny one, I knew I had to snag it, especially for some of the upcoming pieces that I'm about to share with you guys. I love the button detail. I love this like tie waist detail as well. This is super comfortable. So maybe if you want to have like the comfortableness of a dress, but you don't want to wear a dress, this is perfect. I love the color. It did come in the pink as well. Pink is really hot for the upcoming spring. No surprise, pink is such a great color for the spring season, but I love this one, especially with a cardigan or blazer, so perfect for transitioning into spring. Speaking of the perfect spring color, I had to pick up this like blush. It's like a deeper blush. Their blazers are the best. I have several. I've shared them with you guys over the years. They're very flattering. They fit perfect, but they're also perfectly on trend and modern, but still classic. And so this blazer is no different. I did get a small in this as well, and it fits perfect, but I think this is gonna be great for the office, but also great for like over a romper, over a jumpsuit, with a dress, with jeans. There's so many different ways that you can wear a blazer, and because you're transitioning, most other areas other than Texas, you're transitioning from winter to spring, you do wanna have a little bit more of coverage and something to kind of keep you a little bit warm from that little bit of spring coolness that's in the air, and blazers are the perfect way to do that. When I saw this blazer online, I had to have it. It looks like a very expensive designer blazer with the button detail. Again, true to size. I've got a 2 in this, so it fits me perfectly. This one only comes in the black, but it's so classic and timeless. You've got the button details in the sleeves here. You've got the button detail down there. The cut is super flattering. The fit is really nice and flattering. And again, this is gonna be great with jeans, great for the office, great over dresses, and it's instantly gonna like dress it up. Not only because it's a blazer, but because of the style and look of this one. It's so chic, so elegant, but definitely can be worn day or night. And y'all know one of my favorite pops of color is yellow. So when I saw that they had a blazer in yellow, I had to snag it up. This is the same exact silhouette of the darker blush pink blazer. Again, I love this silhouette. I've shared this with you in a dark green color last year, loved it. So this is one of their classic silhouettes. Again, it's a very modern and loose fit, but still very classic and can be worn for years to come. But when I saw it in this yellow color, I knew it was perfect for spring. Another must-have for spring is a white blazer. So when I saw this boyfriend fit double-breasted one, I knew it would be perfect for over lighter colored dresses. It's gonna be perfect over the blush pink dress. Again, with jeans, anything like that that you just want to really style a piece that just needs a little something. Blazers are the perfect way to do that. You just have to get them in the right color for the particular season. Obviously, there are gonna be classic colors, but when it comes to spring, I think a white blazer is such a must-have. Another top that I recently found, this one is super affordable. This one's gonna be great for the office as well, but in this blush pink color, I really, really like this one. You can dress it up, you can dress it down. If you wanna wear it with jeans, you can for just a regular brunch with the girls, lunch with the family, you know, weekends, things like that. But again, you can dress it up with dress pants for the office. And I think this one was like, it was $27, you guys. So I love this one. I think it also came in one or two other colors. Another piece that I really fell in love with for the upcoming season is this top. This can also be dressed up or down. I can definitely see it rocking this with just a pair of jeans or throwing it on for the office as well because of the conservative look. But this mint green color is of course perfect for the office. I did get this one in a small as well, so it fits true to size, but I really just loved this overall vibe and look. It's definitely a little bit more polished and professional, but I would totally dress this down as well. Now, as far as the clothing, I have a couple of basics that I wanna share with y'all. First up is this V-neck oversized tee. I actually shared this in white, I think last month, and I ended up ordering it in the gray as well. I love this. If you love a good oversized tee, I would snag this one up. I am typically a size small. I would say my true to size is a small, but I did get this one in an extra small because it is so oversized. But I love the overall feel and fit of this one. It could be a lounge tee, but I totally have dressed this up, kind of tucked it in a little bit and made it look a little bit dressier just depending on the clothes that you pair it with. But I love a good basic, and this is definitely one that I'm loving right now. And another basic that I'm loving are these V-necks. I actually just have this in 3 different colors to share with you guys. So I have the gray, I have this kind of like, I don't even know what you would call this, kind of like a denim blue, and then this stripe here. So I have these all in smalls. They fit so amazing. They're definitely one of my favorite basic tees. I love the V-neck. I love the length of the sleeve, and it has like that little bit of like the roll up. The material is super, super soft, and they're very affordable as well. So I will link all of these down below for y'all as well. Next up, I wanted to share these shoes with you guys. So I actually picked these up recently, and y'all, I love them. They're gonna go with everything. You're gonna be able to wear these in the spring and the summer and even going into fall. Now, in the wintertime, you might need to cover your toesies, but they're gonna go with everything, you guys. Jeans, dresses, skirts, shorts if you like to wear heels with shorts. But because they have these clear straps, and then you can decide on the nude, which I picked the nude because nude really does go with everything, or you can get a black bottom. You can even do both if you want to, because you could just wear them with different things. They're surprisingly really comfortable. I wore them recently and I had no issues with them. They were actually super comfortable, and I'm not kidding you guys. They go with everything. They're gonna go with basically everything that I shared you guys. So you could do these with heels, a basic tee, and a statement belt. You're good to go. You can do these with the maxi dress, these with the pink dress that I shared with y'all. These are gonna go with everything. So you're looking for a like go with everything dressier type of heel. These are them. Now, I know I shared these with you guys in my last spring video, but I just had to mention them one more time because these are seriously like the best spring and summer shoes for daytime. If you're looking for a more comfortable heel, you've got a thicker wedge. If you're looking for something that goes with jeans, skirts, shorts, dresses, that is wearable, the coverage of this is so great. The color is perfection. You've got a little bit of a texture because it's embossed with the, what is this, like a crocodile print. These go with everything, you guys, whether you're wearing shorts, jeans, dresses, everything. These go with everything. This silhouette is very wearable and perfect for day. You can definitely dress it up and put it with a dressier dress if you want to, but I feel like these are a must-have for like a daytime heel, especially for the upcoming season. And again, because you do have a little bit more coverage of the foot here, you can wear these even going into fall. They're just so great and wearable, and I feel like these are gonna sell out really fast, so I wanted to mention these in today's video one more time. Next up, I have a few pair of sandals to share with you guys, and first up are these statement sandals. I actually shared these in a recent blog post, and I just had to mention them in this video because one, they're brand new, and two, they're perfect for spring, and three, they are literally probably the hottest shoe right now as far as a sandal that you just need. They are such a statement shoe. So I got mine in the clear with the studded, but they also have the tan leather. So if clear is not your thing, the tan leather is really nice, but these are selling out fast, you guys. But if you're looking for a sandal under $100 that makes a nice statement, looks way more expensive than it actually is, these are a really, really good pair. I'll link them down below. They, like I said, they keep selling out, but I'll link the ones that are in stock, or I'll do my best to link the ones that are in stock down below for you guys. But I love these. They're definitely like a must-have for spring and summer. So you guys know I love a good leopard print, and these sandals are just so cute, and they're actually super comfortable. So sometimes a really, really flat sandal isn't always super comfortable, but they put a really nice cushy sole on these, and they just move really well with your foot. So I'm really, really excited to wear these for the upcoming season. They do run true to size. Yes, I did get a 6.5 in these. They come in a few other colors. So if leopard is not your thing, they do have like solid black, solid red. I think they had like a yellow, just a ton of different colors in solids. Animal print, or this leopard was the only like print that they had in this. Maybe they had a snake, actually, now that I think about it. But either way, I love these. And of course, they're gonna get a ton of wear this season. My newest sandal for spring and summer are these clear with the nude strap here. I'm not sure what you would call these, but they're so cute. Again, super easy, super simple, very, very, very simple. You can see on the foot, it's a very plain looking shoe. But what I love about that is if you are wearing like a print dress, or maybe a dress that has embellishment on it or lace or something like that, the dress and the outfit really stands out, and your shoes are just kind of like there. I think these are really cute. Y'all know I love a good nude, and I feel like this is kind of like the epitome of nude because it just lets your foot kind of do its thing. Make sure you have a pedicure, of course. These are definitely one of those shoes that are gonna show off your pedicure, but I feel like these are gonna get a lot of wear as well because I love just kind of doing super simple nude type of shoes all the time. So yes, I'll be getting a lot of wear out of these as well. So another trend that is still going hot are sneakers. And I decided to go and pick up my first pair of Van slip-on sneakers. And I know that these are definitely a little bit different for my style, but one of the things that I love about fashion is trying something different and trying something that maybe you wouldn't typically wear and seeing how you would style. And so that's what I've been doing. I've been enjoying styling these and seeing how I would style them. So I'm having fun with these, and I can't wait to style these a few other ways, but I actually really like them. I think they're really cute, super comfortable. I almost got the rainbow ones just because I thought those were way out of my comfort zone, but I decided to go with the classic black and white check, and I think they're great. And I feel like they actually go with a lot more than I was expecting. Sticking to that sneaker trend, I have another pair of distressed sneakers to share with you guys. So I actually did a recent sneaker video talking about luxury sneakers. I'll link it up above for you guys if you want to check it out. But I recently added these to my collection, and y'all, I love them. Super affordable. I think they're like $100, right around there. So obviously when you're talking about the luxury sneaker trend, we're nowhere near the price here. These are super comfortable as well. So if you have wider feet, I actually think these would be great for you. I have average, like B width feet, and these are super comfortable. I did actually tie them in the like on the back side and then trim the laces off. So I actually now just use these as a slip-on, but whenever you get them, you're gonna get like a regular lace with them. Just FYI, in case mine look a little bit different than yours do. But yes, if you're looking to try the sneaker trend and you don't wanna spend a ton of money, these are great. Or like I said, check out my sneaker video because I do have some other options in there as well. So that is it as far as fashion. Let's go ahead and get to this unboxing, you guys, or reveal. Technically, I've already opened it, of course, but I did wanna share it with you guys. I was planning on doing a separate video like completely on its own, but As you can tell, this week has been really, really light as far as content. It is the boys' spring break. So I figured instead of filming 2 separate videos and editing 2 separate videos, I would go ahead and just include it in this video. So let me quit yapping and go ahead and get to it because I'm sure you guys are super excited. As you can see, there is the dust bag. I'm actually really, really excited about this one. I'm trying to add classic bags to my collection moving forward. I'm not saying that I won't add trendy bags, so I definitely have had more fun with bags this year because I will, but I'm also trying to not only have fun with my collection and enjoy 1 or 2 on trend and trendy bags like my Gucci belt bag, but I also want to make sure that I'm adding bags that I know that can be in my collection for many, many years, and this one definitely fits that bill. Okay, so let's go ahead and share with you guys what I got. So obviously this is pre-loved. This is a medium double flap, and this caramel, like a caramel, is this the lambskin? So this is the lambskin with gold hardware. The only thing that I'm worried about as far as this handbag is the fact that it is a double flap. You guys know how much I love my single jumbo. I love that bag. Like, it is so good to me. And when I got that bag and I fell in love with it, I was like, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and get a medium just because, one, I want to have different sizes. I have a mini as well. But 2, I also wanted to try a double just to kind of get my opinion of a double, see if I would ever consider getting a jumbo double. As of now, I feel like I would never get a jumbo double. I would only get a single jumbo. But now that I have a double medium, I will be able to really truly make that opinion and it be based on facts and not just what I imagine. A lot of times you guys ask me why I have a single double and why I didn't buy a double jumbo. Oh my goodness, this is getting like, I'm getting tongue-tied here. So I feel like I say that based on pure speculation opinion versus factual, and now I will truly be able to see if the double is as cumbersome as I am imagining in my mind. But the bag is stunning, the color is beautiful. I mean, it's exactly like, it's basically a smaller version of a jumbo, just smaller and double, of course. So I'm really excited to have this in my collection. It is a lambskin, so that means I do have to be a little bit more careful with it, but I am in general very good with my handbags. Obviously, you guys don't get to see my day-to-day with my handbags, but I am very careful with them. And I am like, even if I do set them down for like a photo, I either put like a tissue or a paper towel underneath that you don't see, or I literally, like, trust me, I take very, very good care of my bags. So I'm not gonna lie that I wasn't a little nervous about the lambskin, but I'm not nervous about it at all anymore. But in the past I have been, just because of, you just hear a lot of different things about it. So this is my newest Chanel baby, and I'm super excited. So make sure to check out the links down below for everything that I mentioned in this video. I'll also link some different places that you can pick up some Chanel pre-loved as well. And I will see you guys in my next video. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.
Want to keep it nice and clean, not freak out and cause a scene.